As a student, I am going to open an assignment for my teacher for Fluency Tutor. And the document that my teacher wants me to open is a Google Doc. So I'm going to click on that. And when I do that, I am going to get a shared Google Doc. This Google Doc is a text that I want the kids to read. And so I'm pretending that I'm this kindergarten student that is going to read, "That is not a good idea." And so here is the text that I want, but I want to record this so that I can send it to my teacher as a running record. So I am going to click on the Fluency Tutor extension, and it's going to take that Google Doc and convert it into a Fluency Tutor document, and now I can record myself reading this. So I'm going to start that process, and I can click start recording. That is not a good idea. I can see a fox. I can see a duck. Can we go? That is not a good idea. The fox and duck go. And I'm just going to stop my recording now. And then when they're done, they just click I'm finished, and that's going to go to the teacher in their Fluency Tutor dashboard.